Alright guys, it's been a fucking long time since I made a video. Long story short, really long story short, I've now got my iPhone XR back yesterday, so videos will now be commencing again. Let me just show you what's going on now, because it's only going to be a quick one, you know? Right, so we're in the shed, we got fucking Wu-Yang WY125 engine here. It's been rebuilt, all bottom ends rebuilt, and it just needs the cylinder head put back on. But the problem with the cylinder head is I've lost the collets for the top, so I can't put the valve springs or anything back on, which just sat there. So I can't put that back on that engine. That engine, as soon as that's on, is ready to go in a bike and run. So that's been rebuilt. This one, the old sim engine, I've just cleaned the piston up and that. But the problem is, this one, they've basically got the same cylinder head, by the way, guys. It's got one splits, one doesn't. The problem with this one is the gearbox. The top end was already fine, but the gearbox is fucked. And that was in my girlfriend's bike, which is why the Wu-Yang engine is now going in. But I've got a Wu-Yang motorcycle just sat over there. Just to the left, look. Which needs an engine. So the sim engine has to go back with a good gearbox. So that's what's going on with them for a minute. And I'll just show you the two bikes because they're pretty dead. No, they're not bad bikes. Sims are not better condition than the Wu-Yang is, as you can tell. Yeah, because the black one's a sim. XS125K. Yeah, they've both got no engines. Both of them just have the carbs and that dangling down. That one's got a 30mm carb. That one's got a 26. Wu-Yang doesn't even have an exhaust. Sim does. Yeah, they're both just generally pretty shit bikes. Both battered and bruised, and both in need of some love and attention, you know? So I've literally just been wrenching away on them loads for the last like 2 weeks, getting the bikes better, making the engines better, just trying to do everything I can to get them to a good quality really, because that's all I want. Because the Wu-Yang's been bought, been paid for half kind of thing, and like I haven't delivered the bike yet. He knows why, he's a good mate of mine, he understands what's going on, but he needs the bike for work, you know? So got to try and do it as quick as possible, and of course my girlfriend's getting bored of her car. Because cars are quite boring, aren't they, you know? Oh, it's quite bright out there. But yeah. Long. So I hope you just understand the quick update and everything. Hope nothing's questioning your guys' minds. And I'll see you in the next one, really. Sick.